Wow, you look comfortable, honey.
I know. I'm comfortable on the roof now. So today we're gonna mount our flat mount Starlink on the roof so that we can save some space in the garage portion. So there are a few places that we can mount the Starlink, but we'll get there at the end of the video. But the hardest part for us is to figure out where we're gonna put the cable through the roof. So the only way that we could put it through is through the antenna, right, honey? The antenna hole.
Yeah, because we took the antenna out already.
So there's a base and there's a hole. So, but the hole is a little small for the cable to go through. So we're gonna enlarge that hole a little bit so that we can just thread the cable through that, and then I think that's the hardest part.
Yeah, because we can actually take that plate, that metal plate off for most of us.
I know, but like for us, because we upgraded our AC, so it covers one part of the base, so we couldn't take the base out. So we had to make the hole a little larger, but if you don't have the upgraded AC, you can just take that plate off and get access to the hole where the cable go through the van. So since we don't use the antenna at all, so that's why we took the antenna out. But if you use the antenna, you can always drill a hole next to it so that you can thread the cable down into the van, because there's a lot of space next to the original cable where it comes out. So let's start. Let's see if it's gonna go through. Okay, we need to get to the antenna cable, and it is behind this panel. So we have to get all these screws out. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get this out. And then for this one, you have to put it in here like this. There's actually another screw right here. I'm gonna take that one out too, because it's gonna get in the way of the panel sliding out. Okay, so let's loosen up this panel. Oops. Wait, I need
Some leverage, huh?
Yeah.
There we are.
Oh,
I think you want to do it the other way.
the other way?
Yeah.
No. Are you sure? I think it's this way, babe. Right here, like this.
Ah, okay.
So you can see. I think that's as far as no. We could pull it. Oh, okay. Pull it out more. Let me see. Like this. That's good enough, right? Is it? Okay. The antenna cable is up here.
That black wire right there, pull it off. Oh, that's it, yeah.
This one, right?
Yep.
And then we just leave it alone somewhere. And the next step is one of us has to go up on the roof and thread this fish tape down from the antenna hole opening up there. Thread it down so that we could tie the end of the Starlink cable in here, and then just fish it back up. Guess who's going up there?
I guess it's not you. So it's in there already, and my fish tape is a glow-in-the-dark type, and Darlene was able to see it.
Okay, this is the fish tape. It's pretty cool. It glows in the dark. So you know that this is the fish tape because there's a whole bunch of other wires in here. So this is the one that was from the roof. So let's pull it out. Oh yeah. Okay. And
Now what are we gonna do, honey?
so we're gonna tape this end of the Starlink cable into the fish tape right here.
I hope it fits through the hole.
I know. Let's see. How about I'm gonna go up there first and then just pull it up, and you can help guide it in, because my arm is too short. I don't know what I'm doing up there. Okay.
You just have to pull up there.
Okay.
gently.
Yeah. I mean in here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Earlier
got it
I
up.
didn't know what to do.
Okay.
There's so much adhesive here. Hang on, it's not coming up. Yay. Okay, let's pull it up. So now we need to put this end through here. We're gonna make a hole in there so that we could thread it down here because we're gonna put the router in the cubby hole here. That's where we're gonna put the router. So this needs to thread out from here to plug into the router. So let's drill a big hole, honey. Okay, let's thread this through the hole. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
We're gonna make the cable go down into the space. So I have to unscrew these 3 screws here. I have to get these 2 out also. These 2. Can't get it. So inside the cubby there's a hole. Can you see my hand? Finger?
I see your finger.
Okay, so thread the Starlink cable down for me.
Okay. There.
That's good enough.
And
Okay, so instead of making a hole on the shells, we just make a notch so that this would just fit at the corner right here. I put some hot glue there and in that section also, just to make the cable stay in place. I'm gonna zip tie this extra cable here, and then we're gonna throw it in there. There's a lot of space in there, right?
yes.
Okay. Find a place for all this extra cable. Oh,
Okay.
put everything in.
Everything's in.
Close the panel.
Close the
Let's put the 5 screws back and we are done with this part. Plug in the router.
and try it, right?
Yes. Then let me plug the cable in. Okay. See, this is how we're gonna leave it like this. That looks good?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go put the dish on the roof now. Okay, since we're gonna mount this on the roof with magnetic feet, I'm gonna have to screw these in. We decided to mount the Starlink flat mount on the back side here. It's because my husband has to climb up here after every trip to put the cover back on, and we used to have a solar panel here, and he used to step on it all the time, and also the solar panel was under this new AC, so it kind
was
of blocked
covered.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
blocked it a little bit, so it wasn't very effective at all. I think it was only giving out
20 watts out of 100.
yeah. And so we decided, we just take it out and we're just gonna put the star mount right here, because originally we were gonna put it right here. Right here. But then my husband needs to walk over here to pull the cover over, so this we cannot put it here. Okay, so the last step is to put the sealant material all over inside this hole, and then under the base, seal the base, and then we have to seal all the nail holes where we took out the solar panels, zip tie this down, and then we'll be all set. But we need to test to see if it's actually working.
Oh my God, let's hope it works.
I know. But thank you for watching. Searching. Yay, it's online. So it works.